Hello sir, welcome to the PSU Summit 2014.
Yeah, thank you.
We've been discussing an ecosystem of PSUs and how technology tools can be introduced for better efficiency and performance.
Yeah.
Where do you stand on this? And how do you think can technological tools take efficiency levels of PSUs to the next level?
Yeah, we stand approximately, we have done more than the 50% of the requirement that where we have to achieve. Whatever we have to achieve, only just 50% we have achieved. We have to do a lot of work, and our vision of the corporation is to move ahead in such a way that the E mode should go to the M mode, right? Everything should be the real-time management system, not offline kind of information system. That may be the past, present, maybe the half-half, and the future will be the completely dependent on the real-time management system. Just now we were also discussing, we have done so many works in technology, especially e-tendering, project management information system, government financing and accounting system. We have a unique website. You go through that have used that is being used for all kind of offline information system like Facebook, SMS kind of system, one-to-one connectivity system. That will be the kind of the optimal user financing side also, as well as we can reach our all peoples within the second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in a state like Bihar,
Yeah.
Which is prone to criticism
Yeah.
for not being up to the mark or being backward for a long number of years,
Yeah.
does the challenge increase?
Yeah, see, challenge increase. If you go US, you will also see the all kind of challenges. See, the level of challenge vary, right? US also same kind of challenges. Patna also has same kind of challenges. You remember in 2013 in the month of April, we have the best user connectivity. We have the safe net surfing connectivity for more than 3 kilometers. That is also a challenge for the many country, and we did it. Our requirement is minimal. IT doesn't mean you should go everything for IT. Whatever we need, we are just going in that directions, and we always take it a fun-loving, challenging kind of activities, and that will help us.
All right. Now you have this forward-looking vision.
Yeah.
But how do you translate it to your employees? Do your employees also? We've been
These three DGM and IT manager, we were discussing how we can go ahead. Like in my corporation and several other corporations, we have formed a committee where we have taken a good quality of people. They are moving here and there and trying to gather information, collecting informations. We have made our own committee who will give the some futuristic view. And on the basis of we will move ahead.
Right. Yeah. Because we've been hearing in discussions from PSU leaders PSU that there is resistance to this kind of change. Similar to when there was computerization that was introduced.
Yeah.
Then there was the similar kind of resistance. When we talk about moving to virtual classrooms, we have
this
the same
is of
kind
course
of
resistance not from the all side. It's a people's mindset.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you are wearing something on daily basis like red color shirt and you give white color of shirt, of course that will take some time.
Okay. And
people will have to understand.
Is that a challenge for you as the head of the organization?
But because of so many internal forces, that external forces that is influencing the requirement and necessity of the building construction corporation or any other corporations, it has become inevitable that we should not accept all those kind of external forces that should be translated in our corporation. It has been become requirement.
Right. What are the immediate plans for you? What are the concern areas? What are you
just
looking
now,
to do
in my corporations, we will go for complete E mode.
Okay.
Complete 100% E mode. Start work. All kind of paperwork. Except approval, 90% will be the online. Collecting informations with the help of IT.
You were talking about MBs will also be uploaded.
Yeah, MB uploaded
Uploaded online.
Uploaded.
Approval.
They will, executive engineer will approve there. and on the basis of that, the concerned that he will give instructions to the concerned bank and he will transfer money to the last beneficiary, I mean contractor.
The contract.
Yeah, so these are the system, and if I will do this one for the persistent durations, for the longer durations, it will be the fantastic for the government of Bihar, and I think other states they will have to also learn that how you can minimize corruption, and if it will persist for the longer durations, you can even go for the zero tolerance corruption free state.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we see events like this happening, and
Yeah.
this is one of the few where we focused only on the state-owned undertakings. How do you think do these forums work towards building an ecosystem?
You think I have three charges? I will just explain. My three people here, they are the very competent people, working day and night, working weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Never thought whether this is Saturday and Sunday or weekend or rainy day. We came here as a head of the organizations, attended all meeting. Does it not indicate that this is very much important? It simply indicates that this is the most requirement. We came here to collect information, we came here to understand, interact with the people who are working, and with the Navratna kind of PSU who has the vast knowledge for experimenting such kind of initiatives. So you can understand how much this much important we are wasting. If you consider wasting time, so we will not waste time. We came here to understand, and that we are because we have to transform from vision to planning and then execution part. Right?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes.